To bring in Sonali Chopra into the conversation as well. Sonali, why do you see so much unhappiness among certain section of the people today over the Supreme Court's order? What is wrong in sterilizing dogs and putting them in dog shelters?
I am a member of the society who is also very unhappy with this decision. The unhappiness is solely attributable to maybe two reasons to begin with. One, that we were not given a hearing. We were just not heard. That is absolutely against the basic principle of natural justice. If there is a set of people, the cause of the animals cannot come forward and speak for their cause. At least let the people who are speaking for that cause be heard. Be heard. Decide after hearing us. That is number one. And number two, when there is an absolutely well-designed, well-thought-out scientific legislation, which is the animal birth control rules, which were revised as recently as in 2023, why not we run after the implementation of that? Why don't we curse the systematic failure of the implementation of the ABC? Pull up the municipalities for that. Ask for the budget. Where was the budget that was allotted for the ABC implementation? Where did that budget go? And that is the issue, that when there is an absolutely proper legislation still in force, why is that being ignored? Why is nobody being pulled up for the non-implementation of that policy? These are the two main reasons why we
but
feel
again the same question. Like, is there a concern, and if there is, why is it that these strays cannot be put in dog shelters?
The amount of infrastructure that is required to run a proper and safe dog shelter does not exist today. It does not. Let alone for 500 dogs. We are talking about 5,000. There's not even enough space for 500 dogs. And
but when there is no